One of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. Unreal. Highly recommend.
There's something about you. 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 There's something about you.
What's up, guys? I look like a freak. It is finally nice in Hawaii. It's been crappy weather lately, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I can't complain because it's still Hawaii and like 90% of the time it's nice out, but it's just been rainy lately and it's finally nice. It's like 85 degrees and sunny. It feels good out here. And today we're at our favorite beach. You said you did.
No.
Nice going. Bree just informed me she didn't even bring a swimsuit. We just drove an hour and a half to the beach.
I have to swim in my panties.
Wow, this vlog might get interesting. But we're at one of our favorite beaches. We've got a lot on this island. They're all just so great. But they're all just so good.
You know what's really
I'm not ready to leave Hawaii, man. I'm not ready to leave this place. Anyways, this is Yokohama Beach. One of our favorites. I'm just talking too much, shut up.
Start to shake with your hand. Will it ever click? Will it ever click? Are you a freak? You turn and face me. Maybe this time I'll choose. What about a hit? What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand.
It's so hot out here. Can you see how much I'm sweating? It's hot. I'm not used to this. Also, I got a new camera. Can you guys tell? Does it look better?
You're cringing me.
I had the Canon Rebel T6i before. And I mean, it was a good camera. We used it for so much.
We used it like
so much, and I don't know. It was a good camera, but it was time for an upgrade, you know? So now I got the Canon 80D. I'm excited to use it.
Is a good upgrade?
I'm excited to break it in today.
This.
You comfy, Bree?
Yeah.
Sorry, you guys probably don't want to hear about my camera gear, but or maybe you do, I don't know. I want to start talking more about like how we make the vlogs and the gear that we use and the process that we go through, but I don't know. Would you guys want to watch that? Maybe, maybe not. Leave a comment if you think that we should do stuff like that. Okay.
You turn and face me. Maybe this time I'll choose. What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand. Will it ever click? Are you a freak? Maybe this time I'll choose.
Alright, homies. This was a fun beach day. We didn't do much, just kind of chilled on the sand. Took some pics for Simply Southern. There's a mongoose! Oh, I missed it. I missed the mongoose, I'm sorry. But yeah, fun day. We'll see you tomorrow. I never know what to say, like see you in the next place. Because for us it's tomorrow, but for you it's the same video.
Are you talking to them?
So see you in the next scene? Yeah, see you in the next scene.
The balloon to where we swam when I met you. Stay here. I spent the best days of my life with you, watching clouds form in the distance.
Alright, we're at Rainbow Drive-In. It's this, it's like another one of those iconic Honolulu restaurants, kind of like Leonard's Bakery. They have a lot of Hawaiian food, like loco mocos, which I got. I don't know what exactly it is. I think it's like rice and egg and some kind of meat and gravy. I don't know, but it's like an old drive-in diner. It's really cool, and the food looks really good.
My heart beating rhythm and my soul keeps singing the blues.
So I got a cheeseburger and a loco moco bowl, and then we got chili tots, and then Bree got, what did you get?
Corned beef hash.
She got corned beef hash.
Oh, it's ice cream and slushy combined?
So got a slushy float, and it's just a slushy with ice cream in it. Never had it before, but it's pretty good. This food is super good. Some good Hawaiian food. Bree, did you like it? I think that's a yes. What's up, guys? Today is Saturday. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do the Stairway to Heaven hike with my boy Kevin. Bree isn't gonna come because she's gotta do homework all day because school's more important apparently. But the Stairway to Heaven hike is supposed to be like the most iconic, most popular, like one of the most sacred hikes here in Hawaii. So it's gonna be super fun, super cool. We're starting at 4 a.m. tomorrow, so it's gonna be an early morning, but it should be a pretty fun day. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Finally made it to the stairs. It's pouring rain. It's dark. Can't see anything. Now we got 3,900 more stairs to go. Kevin and I made it to the top of Stairway to Heaven. 3,900 stairs later. We're soaking wet, but we evaded the guards and the rain and the dark, but it was well worth it. It's super foggy up here, so hopefully the fog goes away so we can get to see the sunrise. So we've been hanging out at the top of the stairs for the last like 2-3 hours, waiting for the fog to go away and the sun to come out. It finally did. It is unreal up here. Is like one of the most iconic things here on Oahu. It really just feels like you're at the top of the world. I don't know how to explain it, but so cool. did the Stairway to Heaven.
It was insane.
Unreal hike. Didn't get caught. Got some sick video pictures. Now it's time to go take a nap probably.
We executed that pretty flawlessly.
It was perfect.
It's dope.
All right, see ya. So I was supposed to get a nap in this afternoon, but instead we're going on a catamaran ride.
Yay!
Across Waikiki. So should be a nice relaxing afternoon. Should be fun.
So excited.